I have some starter text on the screen so that I can make text look like it's 3D. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first line of text and hit effects. It's all going to be done with the shadow effect. And it takes a little bit in this online program, a little bit more tinkering with than I think some others do. But I want the angle to be, I want it to be straight down from the letters, but they need to be kind of close. It takes a little bit of playing, hardly any blur, and the size needs to be pretty much nothing. So I have, the size is going to be pretty much the same size as the letter. It's in the long run, I then want to drop the shadow down a little bit. So I did hit the distance. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. So the shadow's down. I'm going to take the blur off. And it is a little bit of messing with it. I want it to be straight down. So I think I have that. I'm going to drop the distance down a little bit. Maybe a smidge of blur. But I do want the shadow. Now, once I do that, it helps if I change the text to a different color and I get that little bit of a 3D effect. Now, I can change, if I don't think this is right, I can maybe mess with something in here. The distance, maybe I can make a little bit farther away if I want to. But I'm going to do the same thing, same kind of settings with the second piece of text. Let me click off of it. And I want the shadow, same settings. I don't want it to be too far away from the text. Not much blur. Taking the size down, and then the angle needs to be straight down from the letter. And again, I'm going to change the color of the text. And I might even say it's helpful to even make the background. So I'm going to take the background. I want some kind of orange color for the background to make it stand out. So now I have like that 3D text kind of look. It looks like it's 3D. Now, some other things that you can do to make it look 3D is I want this to overlap a little bit. So I'm going to go to move this layer, and I want it to be on top. And so because this is on top, it is now has this layered look that just makes it look like it's a little bit 3D. It stands out a little bit. And that's how to make the 3D layered text effect in Vista Create.